when we got the amendments to our legislation on the 23rd of March, 5.5 months ago, we were told that there would be a 6-month grace period. And that grace period was about allowing agents to get your house in order in terms of not house that you're selling or managing, but houses in your agency. In terms of getting your compliance requirements right, getting your policies and procedures in place, making sure that you are meeting the supervision guidelines within your agency. So all of those, and just getting yourself compliant with the new regulations. Now, we were given until 6 months, which comes up to the 23rd of September. So it has now been extended, that grace period for penalties under the new property and stock agents regulation has now been pushed out until the 1st of April next year. So we've got another 6.5 months in essence to get your agencies in order and compliant. It's not about going, not going to deal with that until the 30th of March next year. That's not the point. This is about you've still got to be working towards complying with the legislation. That's a no-brainer. We always have to do that. This is about if you haven't quite got there, if you haven't implemented something correctly and Fair Trading become aware of that, there's not going to be a penalty. It's going to be about a warn and educate process as opposed to a penalty infringement notice. Okay, obviously if someone's doing something grossly wrong or trust account related, then different deal, as you would expect it to be. But certainly the reforms are about lifting the standards within our industry. We've got a little bit more time. So take a breath, get back to your core business of, listing, selling and managing properties or buying properties for people or livestock or businesses or whatever aspect, or managing strata complexes, whatever aspect of the industry you're involved in, get back to that. And you've got a bit more time to make sure that those compliance issues and those checklists and everything is in place. So calm down. If you want more information on that, obviously go to the Fair Trading website. It's always there. It's in the housing and property section. And, you go into the recent law reforms that are in that section of the Fair Trading website. Always good information in there to assist you along the way. But just remember, the grace period's been extended out to the 1st of April.